Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Windrose game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off lens dirt within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Windrose game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to disable lens dirt, then go ahead and click on Settings. Within the Settings tab, click on Video at the top section. And now you will need to scroll all the way down to get to Advanced Graphics. Here you will see the lens dirt effect option. By default, this is turned on, which means that the more your character moves around, the more dirt is accumulated within your screen, which is a simulated effect. If you want to set this to off, then simply click on the toggle and turn this off. After this, click on the Apply button or press the Enter key to apply your changes. Then just go back and now you can continue to play your game with your lens dirt disabled. If you wish to turn this back on for a more natural feel in the future, just follow the same steps. Go back to Settings and from the Video tab, scroll all the way down and turn on your lens dirt effect. Apply your changes and you're done. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your lens dirt settings on the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.